This is a tutorial on how to create a Google slide that contains text that you paste from another document, an image, and then an inserted audio file that you recorded ahead of time and uploaded to your drive. The assignment that you will receive will ask you to do the following things. Paste the piece of writing into a slide, record your voice reading that. In this case, it's a poem, but it could be any piece of text. And then insert that audio into a slide with your text. Publish that slide to the web, and then paste the link into this document that you're then going to turn in. What would that look like? Well, for this assignment, the found poem, the end product would look like this. It is a slide that is online. It contains an audio file of me reading it. It has an image that goes with it, and it has the poem pasted in. This is, again, a slide. So if you look through it...
Laughter beating. They punched him.
It isn't interactable like a regular Google slide presentation. It is published to the web. So how do we go about doing that? Well, I'm going to use the example of this poem, and I'm going to rebuild this slide. You will have been assigned a template like this. Along with the document, you were given this slide. It should look just like this first beating found poem, but have your name in front of it. It has a slide on it that is my slide, so you can look at exactly which elements do you need to put in. You need to put in these 3 elements, and you're going to recreate it here on this blank slide. How do you do that? Well, we'll start with the text. First, I click the text box, and I draw the box. You're going to copy my slide. I have a cursor. I go to my poem. I copy my poem, select, and then copy it. I go to this, and I want to select paste without formatting, and that'll get rid of the highlighting. And then I select all, and I increase the font size so it fills the space better. And I leave that there. So I have my poem here. I can underline the title if I want it to pop, or I can change it into red. But I have my poem in here. The next step is to put in an image. So the easiest way to do that is to go to Insert, Image, search the web. That opens up this dialog box. I can type in Raven, push return, choose an image I like, click and drag, drop it onto the slide, resize it to fit the space, and now I have my text and I have an image. The final step is to place the audio that I've recorded and uploaded to my drive. So again, I go to Insert, I go to Audio. It takes me to my Google Drive interface. If you recently recorded it and uploaded it, if you go to Recent, it should be there, or you can click in this box and search for it. You select it. It will insert that into your slide as this speaker icon. Place it over the top. Now, once it's selected, you go to Format and you choose Format Options. That will open up this sidebar, and I want you to click Automatically so that when this slide loads, the audio automatically plays. So now I have my slide created. I can now delete this first slide, so I can delete it. So the only thing left is now my slide that I've created. Then I go to File, Publish to the web, and I click Publish, OK, and then it gives me this URL. I copy the URL. I want to make sure that the URL works, that I got it copied right, so I open a new tab, paste the URL into the address field, and it should open up your new slide.
Laughter beating.
And it should play automatically. Now that you know that it works, You go back to the original assignment, you select your text, you choose link, you paste in your text, you click apply, and you have a link to your slide pasted into the document. So when you turn this document in, I can click here. It takes me to the slide published online. If you have any questions about how to complete this, please email me and I can provide you with further instructions.